Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the Bustamante Highway in Clarendon. It takes you from Maypen to Old Harbour, and unfortunately this is the deadliest road in Jamaica. This road has more fatal crashes on it than any other road in Jamaica. So we're going to take a quick tour of the road, and it's named after the former Prime Minister of Jamaica, Sir Alexander Bustamante. Now, one thing I noticed about this road, I'm not sure why this road has so many accidents, is there is no shoulder on the left. So if a car needs to swerve off the road for any reason, I don't know. But June is actually Road Safety Month, and they listed a few reasons why there are so many accidents in Jamaica on the roads. And number one, the main reason was speeding. Speeding caused so many accidents in Jamaica. And I guess not only in Jamaica, all over the world. Speeding is a major contributor to an accident. And there were some other reasons. Okay, now if you look at the road here, there is no soft shoulder on the left if you need to swerve off the road, and there is so much space. It's just to cut back the bush and I guess pave it. Okay, speeding was a major contributor to accidents. Another reason is tires. You need to have good tires on your car. If the tire tread is below 1.5 millimeters, you have to change it. And in Jamaica, they said you're not to use snow tires or mountain tires. And if the tires are older than 5 years, I think they say you shouldn't use them or you shouldn't buy them or something like that. And another reason they gave for this was the road safety tips was do not overload the cars. So if your car is licensed to carry 5 people, don't put 8 in it. It was not designed to carry 8 people. So when you have a formula now of, let's just use as an example, a taxi. That car on the right is a Probox, it's a taxi. It's probably licensed to carry 7 people, or let's just not be specific to a specific car. Let's say your car is licensed to carry 5 people. You are operating it as a illegal taxi, so you put 8 people in it, and then you're going to speed on the road. Speeding, the car is overloaded, and guess what? You're not going to follow the road code. You're not going to overtake. You're supposed to overtake on a broken line like what you see here, not on a solid white line. And when you have those 3 things, that's why you have so many accidents. You're speeding, the car is overloaded, and you're not obeying the road code. That's one of the reasons why so many taxis meet into accidents. Because they overload the taxi, they drive like they're the only person on the road, and they're speeding. So that is one of the reasons. And unfortunately, May of 2022 had the most fatalities for any month since the year started. So hopefully with June being Road Safety Month and all the attention and all the meetings and public attention being brought to road safety, hopefully June the numbers will go down. But there is so much disregard for law and order on the roads. It's unbelievable. You've seen the videos where cars just literally stop anywhere on the road. Cars don't even stop at red lights. Some of them just go right through. Cars park anywhere. A yellow line used to mean no parking. Total breakdown of law and order on the roads. So hopefully things will improve shortly. The government is really trying. They are putting in the technology needed, the camera systems, They've upgraded the way police write tickets. You can now use a tablet to punch in the information and then print the ticket. And then when that police officer goes back to the station, then all they have to do is dock the tablet, and the tax office information will be updated, read the ticket, so when you go to pay it, it's so much easier. That kind of technology the government is working on. And then you have, at the traffic lights, you have the cameras, and it's not up and running yet, but soon you'll be able to issue a ticket to somebody just via the camera footage. So if a car runs a red light, the camera picks it up, a ticket will be issued to the person who owns the car. Not necessarily the person driving, but the person who owns the car. So when the owner goes to register his car or renew his tag or something, they won't be able to do it until that ticket is paid. And the ticket information will be stored so that if they say they didn't do it, all they have to do is punch in the ticket number, and the actual video footage of the infraction will be there. So the government is trying. Unfortunately, I think they need more police, and well, the technology is definitely the way forward, because with this technology you can definitely help improve the way people use the road. Alright, so we're now exiting the Bustamante Highway and going into an area called Sandy Park, and this will take us into, this road will take us into the town of Mayhead. Now, these areas have been impacted because of the highway. So a lot of traffic goes on the highway, but traffic still uses this area as well, because the highway is a toll road that you have to pay to use. On the left is a new gas station that was recently built. It's under the Blaze brand, and this is actually the second gas station like this I've seen. There's another one in Innswood when you're driving towards Old Harbour as well. So maybe it's a franchise for this area, but I haven't seen that brand gas station anywhere else outside of those two. On the right is a Texaco. It's very empty. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.